Welcome students in science class. Today's topic is microbes. Microbes are very tiny living things that you cannot see with your eyes. If you want to see, then you have to use microscope. And they are found everywhere. They grow rapidly if they get the favorable condition like warmth, moisture, food and air. They may grow in soil, in water, inside or outside our body also, and some microbes also grow in the bodies of other animals also. Our mouth, yes, of course, our mouth and blood provide favorable conditions for certain microbes, not all the microbes, only some microbes. They grow inside our mouth and in our blood also. Some microbes cause disease in human beings also. So disease causing microbes are called germs. However, all microbes are not harmful. Some microbes are useful also. Again, microbes which cause disease, they are called germs. So what are germs? Disease causing microbes are called germs. Kinds of microbes. There are four main kinds of microbes. First of all, I will show you the figure of all that four kinds. First figure is of bacteria. Second one viruses. Third protozoa. And fourth one fungi. First microbe, that is the bacteria. Bacteria are single celled. It is made up of only one cell, so they are known as the single celled microorganism. The shape of the bacteria may be rod shaped, spiral or round. Again I will show you the figure. See, bacteria may be rod shape, it may be like a spiral, or it may be like a round. Harmful bacteria cause disease like typhoid, tuberculosis or pneumonia. Second, that is the viruses. Viruses are so smaller than bacteria, and if you want to see, then you have to use the powerful microscope. That simple microscope won't work if you want to see the viruses. They cause disease like chicken pox, flu, polio, dengue and common cold. Again I will show you the figure of these viruses. It is very smaller. If you want to see the viruses, the second figure is of the viruses, then you have to use that powerful microscope. Third one, that is the protozoa. Protozoa are single celled microorganisms. Malaria and dysentery are caused by protozoa. Again, see the figure of protozoa. It looks like a leaf, or you can say that flat slipper. It looks like a flat slippery type, or if you want to remember, it looks like a leaf. So protozoa, it is a again single celled microorganism. Malaria and dysentery are caused by protozoa. Fourth figure, that is the fungi, which grow on the decaying matter. कोई सड़ी हुई चीज़ होती है, उसके ऊपर फंजा है वो ग्रो इजीली करता है, and they cause the disease, skin disease also, like ringworm and the athlete's foot. However, some fungi called yeast help to make the bread soft. So all the fungi, whatever growing on the decaying material, they are the harmful, but some fungi which we use for making that bread also, at the time we are using that yeast. Yeast is a one kind of that fungi. We add the yeast for making that bread soft. This fourth figure is of the fungi. Again, four kinds of the microbe: bacteria, viruses, protozoa and fungi. Yes students, whenever you get the time, draw this figure in your book and color it also, and try to remember. It will be very helpful. And write the notes of all these four kinds of microbes from this only. First one, bacteria, viruses, protozoa and fungi. Thank you students.